Method 1. App Online Update. If you have enabled automatically download new firmware on Wi-Fi in the app settings, you can start directly from step 4. 1. When a new firmware version is available, an update notification will automatically appear on the app home screen. 2. Tap Download Now to download the latest firmware to your phone. 3. Once the download is complete, the app will display Firmware downloaded successfully. Please connect the device to continue. Connect the device and perform the update. 4. Connect the binoculars to the app as instructed. 5. Tap Update Now in the pop-up message to enter the device management page. 6. Locate the firmware version marked with a red update icon and tap Update. Please remain on this page and keep your phone screen awake during the process. 7. The app will automatically transfer the firmware to the device. 8. Once the transfer is complete, the device will reboot and begin the update automatically. 9. After the update is finished, reconnect the device and check the firmware version in device management to confirm the update was successful. If Method 1 fails, use Method 2. Method 2 SD card update. 1. Power off the device and remove the SD card. 2. Insert the SD card into a card reader and connect it to a computer. 3. Download the latest firmware package from Metadasplorer official website. 4. Copy fw_metata.bin and mcuapp.bin to the SD card. 5. Safely eject the card reader, remove the SD card and reinsert it into the device. 6. Power on the device, it will automatically detect the firmware files and start updating. 7. Do not power off or remove the SD card during the update, the device will reboot automatically when finished. Notes: ensure battery level is above 15%. Keep a stable internet connection during download. Do not close the app, disconnect the device or force shutdown during update. If update fails, retry or contact technical support.